Welcome to CAD That Works. This is a quick tutorial on how to install a brass threaded insert into a 3D printed drawer knob. If you like this kind of content, please like and subscribe and check out my other videos. Okay, so here we're going to talk about how to install the brass threaded insert into the drawer knobs. You need these because just putting regular threads into plastic is just not going to work out long term. These are relatively easy to install. If you're using my drawer knob file, you will require these particular brass threaded inserts. I put these in the description. You can find these on Amazon. They're pretty cheap. They're 832 thread, which is pretty standard for US furniture and drawers and so forth. But you know, if you're doing your own custom drawer, you can pick whatever fastener you want. I will be posting a link to a file for a standard metric drawer knob fastener if you don't want to change out your screw. But anyway, the basic process behind this is simple. We're going to take your brass threaded insert. You're going to find the non-knurled end. I just want to get that started. I'm just going to push that in that hole and just kind of snap it in there where it started. Now, next we're going to use a soldering iron. I just have a standard soldering iron. They do sell specialty tools for installing these. If you're doing a lot of them, it might be worth it, but honestly, this is pretty simple. So I'm just gonna rest that on there and let it heat up. It's gonna take a minute or two, and I'll know it's ready when that insert starts sinking down into the plastic. Like I said, they even sell specialty tips for your soldering irons. You can help push them down in there. Probably might heat up a little faster. And they do sell kind of like a press for your soldering iron to do it also. I don't think this is that critical to make sure the axis of the threaded insert is collinear with the thing. There it goes. You can see it pressing down in there. I'm just going to press it down until it's just flush with the surface of that knob. And there you go. I'm going to let that cool down, and that drawer knob is ready to go. It's just that easy.